Many times you can't bear happiness. The recent studies on stress, I was reading a research paper on stress. They call stress as two types. One distress and another one eustress. Eustress. I was wondering, what is this eustress? They call it good stress. Even while you are having some happy events, moments in your life, when something which you really wanted happens in your life, your body goes through certain stress. It's called eustress. You know, funny thing, your body does not know to discriminate between distress and eustress. For both, it gets on and toned. Both makes you age. Both causes danger. So the only way to save yourself is capacity to adapt yourself to the changes. Means just be a liquid. A small story. Wife is in deathbed. She asks the husband, I will die. Husband says, I will also die. Wife says, why will you die? Husband says, because I don't think I can bear that much happiness. Many times, happiness also kills you. Your body can't stand that much of happiness. It's called good stress. They say good stress and bad stress and positive form of stress. But the body itself cannot physically discern between distress and eustress. Understand? Then what is the way? The only way is learn to be a liquid, fluid. Learn to just understand the situation. Learn to adapt yourself to the situation. Try to look at the situation from the other side also. Otherwise, being desperate will become lifestyle. Try to be always like a liquid. Wherever you are, just be.